The Lingo, Grade 8. The Lingo by Clark Tracy is kind of a classic bebop style piece. There's a lot of playing time and you've got to be comfortable with swing rhythms and catching hits where necessary, but without going over the top. Maybe there's opportunity to do some comping on the snare drum, bass drum, hi-hat if you want, catching hits. There's plenty of scope for ad-lib in this. This is grade 8. We're looking to see, how you respond to that. And then of course in the middle there's this written out drum solo. Of course in jazz we don't normally encounter written out drum solos very much, but what Clark's done here is he's making sure and really testing you on jazz language. Some of these licks and these ideas are really classic fills and licks from jazz songs, and they're things that drummers would use and manipulate and change around the voicing to create and structure a really interesting solo. You'll notice most of them come from rudiments.